My name's Daniel Boyle and I'm the Managing Director and Founder of Upholstery2U. When I left school, I actually worked in the fitness industry, but I was training to become a personal trainer. We had a family business that was already working in that industry and that did upholstery repairs, which is similar to what we do now. So I learnt my trade throughout the 15 years, 12 years that I worked there, and then that drove me to where I am today. It's all about becoming efficient and evolving with the times. I think the upholstery industry has stood still for many years. So what we did is convert vehicles, which is a mobile workshop. We converted them so then we could actually take the factory to the customer's doorstep. And I think that's what's made us stand out and is our unique selling point. BigChange has been a massive help. No matter what we look at internally in the office, BigChange always helps with that. It just gives you a full overview of the business, which you don't usually see. I was lucky enough to install BigChange straight away, but I'd learnt previously from my previous employment how important and valuable it is. BigChange just gives you that bird's eye view of everything and just knuckles down into every point, which is fantastic, and we wouldn't be able to grow without it. Ambitions are to get it into every country, and we started the process now. I think within the UK we've not even got started, but what we do have is connections all the way around the world, international connections where they're wanting this service now. We've just set up in the Middle East, so that company should be launching back into this year, which will be brilliant. They will be using the BigChange system, so we will be seeing how well it works internationally. The reach is amazing and it's endless, to be quite honest with you. Our ultimate goal is to be in every country. We will be using BigChange to take us there. I think every part of our business, we do feel unstoppable. We do feel this inner beast. We just keep conquering and taking over places, but it all boils down to the team that you've got, the infrastructure, the systems you've put in place, the technology with the vans and the conversions. When you add it all in together, then that's when you've got a gigantic team that can just push through, and that's what we have.